Every digital journey begins with a simple human action, a thought translated into a few keystrokes. This single click triggers a chain reaction, reaching across the entire planet in milliseconds. The click becomes electricity, electrical signals racing through circuits at near light speed. Inside the processor, billions of transistors awaken, preparing your request for its journey beyond the device. The browser now takes control, translating human intent into a language computers understand.
Your words are no longer letters. They are converted into pure digital signals, ready to travel.
The operating system prepares your request, packaging it carefully for the journey across the internet. Now packaged and addressed, the data leaves your device, entering the vast network beyond your home. Your request is handed to your internet provider, joining billions of signals racing across the digital world. To find Google, the network first asks a global directory, translating names into numerical addresses.
Armed with an IP address, the request now knows exactly where to go.
The request now races across the planet, carried by a global web of light. At global exchange points, networks meet, directing traffic with extraordinary precision. The request has reached its destination, one of Google's massive data centers. Inside, thousands of servers work together, ready to answer your question in an instant. Smart systems instantly balance the load, deciding which servers respond and how fast. Here lies an organized map of the web, instantly locating information from trillions of pages. Artificial intelligence evaluates relevance, intent, and trust, ranking results in fractions of a second. In moments, the answers are organized, ranked, and prepared for the return journey. The response is sent back, retracing its path at incredible speed.
Across oceans and continents, the answer races back to you.
Back on your device, the browser transforms raw data into a page you can understand. All of this happens in less than a second every time you click search.
Thanks for watching HMA Web Design. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments.
Every message, every click, begins its journey from the device in your hands, traveling unseen through the vast digital ocean. The instant you press send, your message is no longer text, it becomes pure data. Inside your device, the processor awakens, translating raw data into signals ready to travel the world. Before leaving the device, the data is carefully packaged, layer by layer, so it can survive the journey ahead. Now prepared and protected, the data leaves your device, beginning its journey beyond your home. The router becomes the first gatekeeper, directing your data from the private world of your home to the public internet. From your home, the data is carried into your provider's network, joining millions of other signals moving at the speed of light. Your data leaves home behind, entering the provider's backbone, where light itself becomes the carrier. Inside the provider's exchange, intelligent systems decide the fastest path forward, routing your data across the globe. Leaving the city behind, the data joins the long-haul backbone, built to carry information across entire countries in milliseconds. At the edge of the continent, the data reaches a landing station, its gateway to the vast undersea network. Beneath the waves, the data begins its epic journey across oceans, racing as pulses of light inside the fiber. Every few dozen kilometers, repeaters boost the signal, ensuring the data travels across vast distances without losing speed. Inside the fiber, data is no longer electricity, it becomes light, racing across the planet at nearly the speed of light. These repeaters act like digital heartbeats, strengthening the signal again and again across the ocean floor. Thousands of kilometers beneath the surface, these cables silently carry the world's conversations across the ocean floor. Built to survive nature's extremes, these cables are protected against pressure, movement, and time itself. To ensure reliability, data flows through multiple routes, automatically adapting to keep the world connected. Even at the speed of light, distance matters, every millisecond revealing how far your data has traveled. As the journey nears its end, the cable rises toward land, bringing the data back to the surface world.
At the coastal landing station, the undersea journey ends, and the data enters the terrestrial network, ready to reach its destination.
Within the data center, your information is guided with precision, flowing through a maze of servers and switches.
Here, intelligent systems decide the fastest route, ensuring your data reaches its destination without delay.
At last, the data reaches its target server, where it is processed, stored, and prepared for the journey back. Processed and ready, the data begins its return journey, carrying information back to where it belongs. And just like that, in milliseconds, your data has traversed oceans, networks, and servers, returning to your screen.
Thanks for watching HMA Web Design. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments.
Every time you open a website, a hidden world awakens. A journey across the planet, completed in milliseconds. In just a single tap, a simple request is born, and a journey faster than the blink of an eye begins. The address you typed is no longer just words. It is transformed into digital signals the machine can understand. Inside the device, those signals assemble, becoming a structured message, ready to travel. Deep inside the device, billions of microscopic switches awaken, preparing the request for its journey. The request is carefully packaged, wrapped with instructions, and prepared to leave the device. Released from the hardware, the message transforms into energy and vanishes into the invisible world of wireless space. The journey's first stop, your local gateway. Here, the signal is received, organized, and sent onward. Now, it enters the high-speed arteries of the internet, where information moves at the speed of light. Across cities, across continents, even beneath the oceans, the message races through glass pathways spanning the planet. At last, the message arrives at a data center, a fortress of servers where processing begins. Before it can go any further, the request is examined, verified, and allowed to pass. Here, intelligent systems decide where each request should go, balancing millions of journeys at once. Directed with precision, the request is guided to the server that will handle it, the chosen destination within a forest of machines. Inside the server, the software awakens, ready to orchestrate the next steps of the request with precision. Every request waits patiently in line, a structured queue ensuring fairness and efficiency. CPU threads spring into action, lifting the request and beginning the calculations that will bring the page to life. To respond instantly, the server accesses memory, retrieving essential data in the blink of an eye. When information isn't in memory, the system reaches deeper, into solid-state storage, where vast libraries wait in silence. With the data collected, the server begins assembling the response, shaping structure, design, and behavior into one. The response is compressed, secured, and prepared for its journey back. And now, the answer races back across the world. Across oceans and networks, once more, the response returns to the place it began.
The journey completes its circle, returning through your network, back to your device.
Within milliseconds, the browser translates the response, transforming raw data into something you can see. All of this unfolds in less than the blink of an eye. A global journey, completed in milliseconds.
Thanks for watching HMA Web Design. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments.